Welcome back in this another tutorial of OpenCV image processing using Python. We'll continue from where we left in the last lecture. In last lecture, if we saw how to read an image and then how to rescale the image. And we saw the importance of rescaling also. In this lecture, we'll see how to find how to check the dimensions of my image. For that, we'll use dot shape function. So I'm writing here print, and then you can give any message, like I'm passing here original image dimensions. So I'll be printing the dimensions or shape of my original image using dot shape. So the variable is im dot shape, and similarly we can copy it and check the dimensions of our rescaled or resized image also. So let me rename it to resized underscore image, which is the name of the variable of the resized or rescaled image. And this method will be going to be very useful in the coming lectures. Dot shape. So dot shape method basically gives the number of rows into number of columns, and in case of image it will give you height comma width comma number of channels, as you can see here. So you can basically see the original image dimension is 4000 cross 3000 cross 3, and in resized it has been reduced to 540 cross 780 comma 3. 3 gives the number of colored channels. Number of channels here it is. So that's it for the time being. We'll see in the next lecture. Thank you.